the first thing we'll do is to head over to ChatGPT, and right here you see where this mouse is. You click down there and come over to this place, explore GPTs. Click on it. So allow it to load. Then in here, at the search bar here, you can type floor renovation or floor transformation. So you type floor transformation, and you pick okay, let's go with this first one. Get started. So allow it to load. Sorry, network is a bit slow. Okay. Network is a bit slow. Let's wait for it to load. Then we'll commence. Okay, I think it's coming up now. So it's very simple. Okay, now ChatGPT have created so many topics you want it to help you generate a prompt. So I can use it to do your whatever you want to do. So we can go with let's go with number 4. So here I will just type in 4 and click enter. So see, it has generated. These are the prompts we will use to create those interesting videos. So this is the image video prompt is. So next thing we'll do is to head over to Google Gemini. Head over to Google Gemini. You click on this arrow down here. Sorry. You click on this and click on create image. And this should be on Pro. That's Nano Banana. Click on create image. Then head over to your chat and copy the first prompt. Copy the first prompt. Then paste it here. And click generate. So we'll give it a little time for it to generate and the comments. Okay, so this is our first image. This is our first image. So go ahead to download it and copy, do other ones. Just come back to this place, copy this, go back here, paste it and generate. So this is our second image. This is our second image. Go ahead to download it soon. So still head over to charts and collect the third one. Copy the third prompt. Copy it. Come back here. Also paste it here. So this is how you do if you don't want to be copying people's prompts, like what this AI automation YouTube video creators do. They will just copy and change the voice and all that. Google will still find out. So this is third image. This is the third image. You download it. Then let's get the last one. This is the last image. Copy. And you generate. So this is the last image. So to convert this to a satisfying video, we'll have to go over to Google Flow. So on your browser, just type Google Flow. New projects. I'm seeing some of my videos there. New project. Then here you come here and put it to frame to image, frame to video. Frame to video. So do the first one. You upload the first image you downloaded. The first image you downloaded, you upload it here. It should be this one. Yes. This image. I like to load. Then you upload the second one. Upload the second one. It's like we didn't download that fourth one. So okay, we'll go and download it. Upload this. Allow it to load too. Then go over to your chart and copy the first image prompt, image to video prompts. This is for video 1. You copy it and paste it here. And paste it here. Then you click on generate. Okay, credits left. So you wait for it to generate. At the meantime, let's go and download our last image, this image. Let's download it. Okay. We'll wait for this one to load. So, okay, here's a video. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let me just play it. Okay, this is a video. This is our first video. Let's pause this one. So we want to generate the second video. You go over and download and upload this first second. Upload this second image. This one. You upload it and you upload the third image. So upload the third image. We crop and save. Then we'll head over to our chart and copy image video 2, prompt for video 2. Copy that one too. Then we come back here to paste it here. Then we hit Sorry, no, I'm still going back to this thing. Paste it here. Oh, he generates. Okay, our video is ready. Oh, what is this thing blocking this? Okay. I'm trying to get rid of this stuff. Okay, this is a video. This is a video, okay. This one is better. Okay. So pause. And we'll go ahead to generate the third video also. So let's go ahead and create the last video. So upload the third image and the last image that we generated. I think is this one. We'll upload this one and the last one, so we can finalize our work. Okay, then we'll upload the last one. Okay, so we'll go back to chat and get the last prompt for the video. So we'll copy this, go back here and paste it here. Then we'll click enter and allow it to load. Yeah. So after creating this, just head over to your software editing app, either CapCut or Edit by Meta, or anyone that you are good with. Then join the whole clips together and produce your viral video. So let's allow this to load and we'll take it from there. Okay, I think we are done. So let's click on it and see. Okay. So this is the basic way of creating this. I can do a longer one of it, but this video will not be long. This is the basic way of creating this. So that's it. So we'll head over to our third and final topic for today, the main purpose area here, which is to